Motion. There are certain quantities upon which motion depends. This includes distance and displacement, speed, velocity, acceleration. Distance and displacement. Distance is the total length of the path covered by an object during motion. Displacement is the shortest distance between initial and final position. The SI unit of distance and displacement both are same, that is meters. Both required a reference point to be measured from. Let us take an example to know in detail. If a boy starts moving from point A to point B, now the distance covered here is 3 meter. Again he starts moving from point B to point C. Here the distance covered is 4 meter. So the total distance covered by that boy is equals to 3 meter plus 4 meter is equals to 7 meter. Now to find out the displacement, we will consider the shortest distance. Here the shortest distance is AC. So to get the value of AC, we will apply the Pythagoras theorem. So using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. 9 plus 16 is equals to 25. So AC is equals to 5 meter. Speed. Speed of a body is defined as the distance covered by a body divided by the time taken to cover the distance. It is represented by V is equals to S upon T. Different objects may take different amount of time to cover a given distance. Some of them move fast and some move slowly. The speed of an object need not to be constant. Therefore, we describe the rate of motion in terms of their average speed. So, average speed is equals to total distance travelled upon time taken. Let us take an example. A vehicle travels a distance of 100 km in 2 hours. So, the average speed here is 100 divided by 2, that is 50 km per hour. Velocity. Velocity is defined as the speed of an object moving in definite direction. Velocity of an object can be changed by changing the object's speed, direction of motion or both. So we describe the rate of motion in terms of their average velocity. So average velocity is equals to arithmetic mean of initial and final velocity for a given period of time, which is equals to initial velocity plus final velocity upon 2, which is represented by VAVG is equals to U plus V upon 2. Speed and velocity have same units, that is meter per second. Now we will see about acceleration. During uniform motion of an object along a straight line, the velocity remains constant with time. But in non-uniform motion, velocity varies with time. It has different values for different instants at different points of the path. For this, a quantity is introduced and its name is acceleration. Acceleration is nothing but the measure of the change in the velocity of an object per unit time. It is represented by A. Acceleration is equals to change in velocity upon time taken, which is represented by A is equals to V minus U upon T, where V is final velocity and U is initial velocity. I hope you have learned this topic very well.